Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Ryan the Fry here. So, today we have a little tutorial on how to use OBS, my recording software. So, to basically, you want it to see something, or else you'll just see a black screen. And nothing will happen if you press the start recording button over there. You can also change your mic sensitivity and desktop noise, your game noise, for example. So if you want it to see something, do display capture in Google Chrome. I've already done it, but if you do Google Chrome, we'll start to see some stuff. And if you want it to see a game like Overwatch, Counter-Strike, all those games I play, you do game capture and then you name the game. Press OK. OK again. I'm just deleting mine because I already have them. You don't need to delete yours, you need to keep them so they can see stuff. So that's the simple things. And if it's still not working, then I don't know. Well, anyway guys, that's it for the tutorial today. Thank you for watching and peace.